This is Danielle, and today we're going to talk about the new smart door from Omlet. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and follow my channel. Hey, this is Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the new smart door, auto door. So what you're doing is you're just replacing the main piece. So if you've already got your door, you won't need all of the stuff. So in this case, I'm just going to show you how to replace the actual mechanical piece that controls it. My door is already installed on there like I did before, and I have a video on that one. So we use this, and so the first thing you're going to do, actually no, if you have a light or anything, or the heater, I actually don't have the heater, I don't know how that works. But if you have anything else plugged in here, you're going to want to just unplug it if you want to use it with your new piece. And I'm going to have a hard time doing this with one hand, but you can unscrew this so it's easy to get out. And you are going to open up your new door. Now you'll notice that the new ones open up from the back, but these ones opened up from the front cover. So the screws were on the inside here. So I've got my batteries in here, and I can go ahead. Sorry, excuse me. I've been doing some repairs. Ignore that. That was for my old one. So you're going to go ahead and unscrew these. And so that's your first step here, because you want to be able to put your wiring through here. And of course it comes out this way here. My rooster is going to talk the whole time. This is hard to do with one hand, but okay, so you can remove this. Make sure to save your screws. Don't lose that. And you are going to take your door piece, which I am going to find. There it is. Okay, and you're just going to plug it in right here where it says door. And it can come out this way once you screw that other piece down. Okay, so once you've clicked that in place, you can go ahead and screw this in. Sorry. So you're going to screw it in. So this is here, like this. However, if you need to hook anything up, hook that stuff up first so that you don't have to do it multiple times. My light, I actually need to fix the wiring on first, so I'm going to wait on that one. But I'm going to attach this now so I can test the door out. So normally you're going to want to put that screw back too, but we're not going to do that right now because, again, I am needing to fix that piece. And we are going to screw this piece in, and you'll notice that there's this kind of bendable, flexible stuff, so that should line up at the bottom. And I'm going to screw these in. Now, before you run this and connect everything and screw everything in, you might want to run your cord through PVC or something just to keep critters from chewing on it. If you have squirrels that are adventurous, you might find them nom-nomming on your wires like we did. I don't know how much this will actually help, but I figure at least if some of it's covered, maybe it'll save the day. They don't bother electrical wires, probably because they get electrocuted, and this isn't probably probably doesn't pack quite as much of a punch as the other stuff. But now you're going to want to get the app, so it's going to scan for Wi-Fi. You're going to enter your Wi-Fi password, select your door, name it, do all that stuff, and you can do things like adjust the light sensor or timer. Okay, once you screw that in, you can listen to your chicken making lots of loud noises. And let's see if we can get this started. So I already have the whole door hooked on, so I'm just doing that piece of it. So I'm going to hold this, see what happens. And it's calibrating. Alrighty, I'm going to let this calibrate instead of making you sit and listen to this. Okay, so I'm going to go to manually opening this. And as we can see, it is working. That's what we want. I'm planning to use the light sensor for opening and closing it. I can show you what that looks like. But it all is very easy to adjust using the app, which is available for Android and iPhone. And so far, I haven't had any issues with the Android version, which is nice because companies seem to always produce them well for the iPhones and forget about us Android people. So this bracket here can be zip tied on, or you can use something like hand strips. And this just slides right on there. Okay, so now this should work either from your phone or from your panel here. I'm probably going to use the panel the most, but it's just nice to be able to check things from my phone, which is why I like the smart doors. So I'm going to open it right now. The light's connected and the light's placed inside so they can see the light come on when it's time to go in. I have little chiclets, so I'm probably going to have to hand them up to the up there each night for a few nights at least until they get it. But yeah, super easy, no issues to install. And I'm excited to be able to do this from my house because sometimes I'm like, gosh, I didn't check on them. Did I close the door? I can't remember if the door closed. Or, oh, what if the door faulted? I want to check it. You know, this allows me to do that without actually leaving my bed at 11:30 while I'm thinking about all the things that I need to check on. So, yay for smart things. Anyways, hope that was helpful. Take care.
Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and take care.